What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another one. This one is another one brought to you by Hello Ice. You feel me? They got a buy one free get one going on right now with their pendants and some of their merchandise. You know what I mean? Go take advantage. But this one, what I got here for you today is something I'm personally excited about. It's a iced out lion pendant. You heard, you know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, and by the way, I got a surprise for y'all. Hopefully y'all hold me down if y'all true fans, you know what I mean? Green Stack Gems on the way. Yeah, I said it. Green Stack Gems on the way. I'm going to be doing more promo on it, you know what I mean? Green Stack Gems, that's my own jewelry company coming with that moissanite. You heard, you know what I mean? But anyway, right now, it's about Hello Ice. And before I keep rambling on, comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can, you know what I mean? Without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again with another one. Now, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is two pendants, but I'm only going to show one. And I only wanted to do this because I had another watch to reintroduce to you guys, a comparison between, it's the same brand. But before I get too much into that, I just wanted to throw off the watches for a little while. Watches could get boring to those who like chains and pendants. So I just wanted to throw a little video in between before I reintroduce some watches to you guys to do a comparison. Like I said, what I got here for you today is two pendants, but I'm only going to show one in this video. One that I think y'all might like, one that I think I might enjoy. I'm going to try it out, you know what I'm saying? And let's see how it goes from here, you know what I mean? What I got here for y'all today is a iced out lion pendant by Hello Ice. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what y'all like about this thing. Is rumored or stated on the site that is 925 sterling silver, and then they got a little extra thing to it that with a small little charge, you can do it for the small little charge. So let's see what they got for us today. See the box. This is their delivery box, so you can't really expect too much as a regular box. It's not their official presentation, but it's not bad. When you got a branding that comes with their own boxes, as GLD does it and certain companies do it, this box, you know what I'm saying, comes with their own branding. Hello Ice. Dope presentation. I like it, you know what I mean? And let's go from here. You know what I mean? Give me 2 seconds. I might say cardboard might start being the ops when I got another ops on it. Look, I just ripped it. My fault, guys. You know what I mean? But this is an unboxing by Hello Ice. Let's put the cardboard to the side. 2 seconds. This is their official presentation. Nice little silver, platinum, whatever you want to consider it. Hello Ice emblem. You know what I'm saying? Depending on what kind of box they put it on, they change the color. I like the emblem. It says a statement. You know what I mean? Y'all tell me what y'all think of that thing. Open the thing up. Look what it comes with. Comes with the Hello Ice dust pouch. Can't be mad at that. I like that. You know what I mean? They make you feel like you're getting more bang for your buck when you spend money with them. You know what I mean? Nice little Hello Ice suede satin. You know what I mean? Dust pouch to carry your jewelry in. And like I said, maybe I didn't say this, but on this site right now, they got a buy one get one free. If not all their pendants, most of their pendants, I'm gonna say all because most of them show buy one get one free. And what I can say, although we know that when they send a free chain to a pendant or a free chain out, it's not going to be the best quality chain. But what I will say to you guys is you can't knock a company for trying to give you more for less money. So whether the chains are of good quality, look, this one right here, 5mm Cuban. You know what I'm saying? About 22 to 24 inches. I got two pendants. This one came with the lion pendant. You know what I'm saying? Rope chain, about 24 to 30 inches. And this also came. You know what I'm saying? So you can't knock them for trying to give you more for less. What I paid for was the pendants. They got a buy one get one free right now at helloice.com. Go check them out. I believe I picked the best two pendants in my opinion. Y'all don't have to agree, but like I said, all of the pendants came with chains, and I think due to my purchase, they also gave me a free Cuban. I don't think this is the Cuban, but whatever the case may be, this might be the Cuban. You know what I'm saying? I got free chains with both of my pendants, and they sent me out a free chain. Now, I believe that a lot of times when they do that, it's not the best quality chains, but why would you be mad at that for them trying to send you something free, or as I like to say, include it in the price? So, without further ado, let's get on to the video presentation. And what I got here for y'all today is the iced out lion, you know what I'm saying, by Hello Ice. I've been looking at these lions from different sites. I've been wanting to get one. It's been a while, you know what I'm saying. I spent a lot of money on jewelry, and as y'all can see from the beginning of the video, I'm starting a movement of my own, so please look out for that, you know, in the near coming future. You know what I mean? Don't hold me to it, but it's definitely coming out. I just can't put a time on it. Be patient. But I've been looking at a lot of, you know what I mean, different companies' pendants, and I've always wanted a lion pendant because it speaks to being an alpha. You know what I represent, us being individuals, being the leader of our pack, and the lion is known for that, being the leader in the jungle, being the leader as a whole. You know what I mean? So just to give y'all a sneak peek of the second one I got that I'm not presenting today, I'll give y'all a little treat just to give y'all a sneak peek. You know what I mean? Let's put that down 2 seconds. What do y'all think that is? You know what I'm saying? What do y'all think that is? You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say much after that. Just give y'all a little sneak peek of what to expect in a future review. But let's get back to the video of the lion in hand. It's in this plastic. They send stuff with the plastic. Y'all know how I feel about plastic. We don't mess with plastic. Y'all already know plastic be the plastic. Plastic always going to beat ops. You heard. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it out of this plastic. Bam. The lion pendant. Iced out, 18 karat gold plated. You know what I'm saying? This thing is crazy. Look at this thing, man. This thing is a beast. Now, some of y'all might not like it. Some of y'all will. You know what I mean? Depending on what country you're from, or depending on what you like to represent. I like to represent alpha, and the lion definitely represents that. You know what I mean? Now let's flip it over to the back. It's rumored, or I always say rumored, but it says on the site 925 sterling silver, 18 karat gold plated, and this is stamped and solidified. You know what I mean? This thing is crazy. I like this thing, man. I'm not gonna lie. Personally, I like it. Now, what I will say is what I don't like about the piece, which might not matter to most of you or none of you. I like the Hello Ice branding. I'm not going to lie. I like the logo, how it looks personally, but I don't want it on the front of my charm. That's just me personally. Y'all got to take it for what it is. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about, you know what I mean, different company logos and where they're placed. If you like to see them, or if you don't like to see them at all, or if it even matters to you. To me, it kind of doesn't matter, but I just feel like this is too front center. But I respect them because they're trying to get their company out there, and they've already been out there making their bands. Now, before I get to the rest of the stuff, you know what I'm saying? With this right here, I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man, how much is that thing? That thing looking crazy. This iced out lion right here, 18 karat gold plated, I will tell y'all right now. This right here goes for a whopping $179. You know what I mean? $179. They gave me a coupon code at the time, you know what I'm saying, that of purchase. And with that other pendant that I showed you a little earlier that I'm gonna present later, it was a buy one get one free. So I came off on a little bit of a deal. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You feel me? But this is $179. I didn't pay that necessarily, but this is $179. And let me show y'all something in the back that I like the way they did this thing, because, you know, it made me feel a little good. They, for an extra $5 to the side, or added on to the price, you can get this line engraved with whatever you want it to say for just $5. You know what I mean? And guess what I got on there? Boom, Stevie D. I was going to put GSG on the back of that thing, but you know what? Sometimes I get tired of putting GSG everywhere. I represent myself and my company later, and my YouTube channel later, but I like this engraving, man. I thought it was going to be etched into the metal, but I kind of like the way this looks, man. Stevie D, you already know who would be. GSG Reviews. Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. You already know the moniker. You already know what I'm saying. And when you join my channel, you become an alpha general. General-led alpha male and alpha female in the building. But $179 that I did not pay. I paid a little bit less. You know what I'm saying? If you want an extra engraving, I put Stevie D. It's an extra $5 no matter how many. I think there's a limit to 8 to 10 letters, I believe. So, you know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, you know what I'm saying? Look at these CZ stones. You know what I mean? If y'all wait to the end, y'all will see me diamond test them and shine test them. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think of this thing, man. This thing is a beast. Like I said, go to Hello Ice right now. They got a buy one, get one free on their pendants, or maybe some of the chains, but I saw it with just the pendants, and I copped this one and another one that will be in a future video. I was going to show y'all another watch or reintroduce another watch, but I wanted to come and intervene real quick with something a little different that I was excited about. 925 sterling silver, as I showed y'all. See it again. It's there. Just in case it doesn't clear, it's there. You feel me? And Stevie D on the back. I'm going to be rocking this thing proudly because y'all know I rep alphaism, if that's even a word. Alphaism, you know what I'm saying? My alpha generals, alpha male and alpha females. This is a perfect pendant to represent that. You feel me? You know what I mean? It's a pretty nice, thick little piece. Feels kind of heavy. I enjoy the fact that they closed off the back. I'm a big fan of closed backs. You know what I mean? Look at this thing, man. I like it, man. Tell me if y'all would rock it. By Hello Ice. I like their presentation. I like the fact that they come with free chains. You know what I'm saying? They got a basic, nice presentation, and they give y'all a bunch of free chains just to show y'all again. You know what I mean? This is the rope chain that it came with. Now, I'm not going to lie, the pendant feels premium, but the chain feels a little light, maybe a little cheap, but I'm not going to knock them for that because they're trying to hook you guys up or hook me up as well. You know what I'm saying? With free chains to go along with our purchases, you can't be mad at that. And before I get out of here, I will also add that Hello Ice also uses an app similar to Sezzle. It's called Afterpay. If you use Afterpay, you click on there, you know what I'm saying? They break your payments into 4 payments. You feel me? 4 payments. After your first payment, off your product goes. You heard. You know what I mean? So go check out Hello Ice, man. They got to buy one, get one free on their pendants. This is $179. But they also give you a coupon code where you probably won't pay as much. You feel me? Go check them out, man. Hello Ice. Tell me what y'all think about having an emblem in the front of the pendant, man. I'm not too big of a fan of it, although I like the emblem. But y'all tell me what y'all think of this, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stevie D. What we got here for y'all right now is the diamond test for these CZ stones. You'll see the diamond tester blinking because you know what I'm saying? It's hitting a lot of metal, and when I do hit the piece directly, you don't see no movement at all. You know what I mean? We can't knock it, you know what I'm saying? It's listed as CZs. We know CZs aren't really supposed to pass the diamond tester. This for entertainment purposes only, because some pieces do pass it. But my diamond tester, you know what I mean? It's too official, and it's not gonna pass it. So I bring it closer to you guys to show you. The stones are kind of big for you to miss them. You know what I'm saying? So you don't see me you don't see them passing at all. The most you see in activity is they might blink due to hitting metal. I'm pressing down, I'm hitting the stones directly, if y'all can see it or not see it. But the CZ stones anyway, we don't expect them to pass. You know what I mean? This is the diamond test. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.